Have you ever wondered if there's a magical ingredient that can improve your overall health? Something that's easily accessible and packed with valuable nutrients? Today, we dive into the world of beetroots and beetroot juice to uncover some truly astonishing health benefits. But remember, this video is for educational purposes only and not intended to substitute professional medical advice. But before we dive in, subscribe for more health tips, recipes, and lifestyle advice. Let's get started. Imagine a single ingredient that can boost your energy levels, enhance your immune system, and even improve your sexual health. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? Well, get ready to discover the secrets hidden within the vibrant and mighty beetroot. Root vegetables have been a part of human diets for centuries, but beetroot truly stands out with its impressive range of health advantages. From its rich nutritional profile to its ability to boost athletic performance, this ruby red vegetable has plenty to offer. The first enchanting benefit we'll explore is the magic of beetroot. Packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, this humble vegetable works wonders for our bodies. Its powerful anti-inflammatory properties contribute to improved heart health and lower blood pressure. Plus, its natural nitrates help enhance our exercise performance. Feeling tired or drained? Beetroot juice might just become your new energy booster. We'll uncover how the high iron content in beetroot increases oxygen flow throughout your body, boosting vitality and combating fatigue. Discover the surprising benefits of incorporating this natural elixir into your daily routine. Strengthening our immune system has never been more critical. Luckily, beetroots come to the rescue once again. High in vitamin C and other immune-boosting nutrients, beetroot and its juice offer incredible protection against common ailments and may help fight off infections. Say hello to a stronger and healthier you. We all strive for glowing skin and luscious locks, but the answer might not be found in expensive beauty products. Believe it or not, beetroots hold the secret to enhanced beauty from within. The vitamins and antioxidants found in this root vegetable promote healthy skin, fight aging, and stimulate hair growth. Stay tuned for some natural beauty hacks. Yes, you heard that right. Beetroot can even have positive effects on our sexual health. Loaded with natural compounds that boost circulation and increase libido, this vegetable might just be nature's own aphrodisiac. Let's delve into the science and explore the fascinating connection between beetroot and a healthy sex life. Now that we've unveiled the incredible health benefits of beetroot and beetroot juice, it's time for you to take action. In the description below, you'll find a comprehensive guide to help you incorporate these superfoods into your daily routine. From delicious recipes to detailed nutritional information, we've got you covered. Just click the link and embark on your journey towards a healthier you. It's time to wrap things up. We've explored the hidden superpowers of beetroot and beetroot juice, from its magical heart-healthy properties to its ability to amp up your energy levels and potentially improve your sex life. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only, and it's always essential to consult a healthcare professional regarding your specific needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the wonders of nature and building a healthier, happier life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos on unleashing the extraordinary in the ordinary.